Welcome guys. In today's video I am going to show you how you can resolve the most common problem which almost everyone faces in their Windows system, as they cannot link their MongoDB compose after installing with the Nodejs. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can resolve all such problems. So in order to resolve such problems, after installing MongoDB compose, as you can see I had done in my case, go to this PC, go to C drive, and inside C drive go to program files. Inside program files you will have Nodejs. Inside Nodejs you will have node_modules. One folder will be there, and if you don't have the MongoDB folder here, as I have in my case, then it is a clear indication that you don't have MongoDB installed inside your Nodejs. So in order to do so, go to the Nodejs folder here and right click on it, go to properties, and then go to security, and inside security click on edit, and inside edit click on users, and inside users you will find that you will not have these two boxes checked, like full control and modify. If you don't have these two boxes checked, then that is a clear indication that your Nodejs folder is not allowing any external folder to get installed in your system even after you run npm install MongoDB command on your CMD. So after checking this, click on apply, click on OK, and after that again click on OK, and then you can open your CMD, and then you can click on the cursor and write npm install MongoDB. So you should write this command after navigating to the folder, that is Nodejs. So you have to write cd c and program files, and then give / and then write the name of the folder, which is Nodejs, and then type this entire command, and you will find that your MongoDB will be successfully installed in your Nodejs folder. So after that your system will work and you can do whatever you want. You can run any command on your system from the Nodejs by using the CMD. So that is how you can resolve the simple problem. So after that, as you can see, I was able to figure out what to do, and I could run all the commands and enter the data inside my MongoDB compose. So that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. I will meet you in the subsequent videos. Until then, keep exploring.